Hello everyone, I'm Frank. Today, OpenAI has released its newest large language model named O1. It is said to have a very powerful reasoning capability, which says it can even outperform PhD level on some areas such as physics, biology, and chemistry. So I was wondering how it capability, how its reasoning capabilities come from. So I went to its website. It's illustrated here. The key idea here is introducing the reasoning tokens. Therefore, I did some survey and investigation about the reasoning tokens, and today I'm going to show you guys how the reasoning tokens is in the OpenAI O1 model. So one sentence to explain this is the reasoning token is actually a mechanism designed to enhance the planning capability of language models by allowing them to anticipate and prepare for future outputs. So here is the illustration in OpenAI website. It illustrates the model interest process with the reasoning tokens under multiple conversation rounds. In the first turn here, as you can see, here is the user prompt. It is fed as the input to the model, and the model will make some inference based on the input, and also they will conduct the reasoning process in this step. The reasoning process is represented by some reasoning tokens. Those reasoning tokens, the model needs to predict them, and by doing this, the model can think deeper about the user's prompt. After output the reasoning tokens, the model will further output the output token. So another important thing that we need to notice is that the reasoning token will not be delivered to the user. So that's why it is marked as gray in this figure. You can see here the input and the output token will be combined together and fed in as the input in the next turn, and also the input of the input and output of the turn 2 will be combined to as the input of turn 3. So very important here is that reasoning tokens will be discarded when output to users. Next, we can focus on how to implement this reasoning tokens in detail. You can imagine here is a transformer architecture, and this is the user prompt. It says what's the result 23 plus 45. A core implementation detail here is that the model can choose when the internal reasoning starts or ends. So we can look at here. After the input of the equal marker, the model will choose to start the reasoning process by the start reasoning token. After that, the model will start the reasoning process, and then it will automatically output the end reasoning process. After this, the reasoning process will be finished, and then the model will output the final results. And another thing we need to mention is that the end reasoning process will calculate the gradient with respect to the reasoning token. So that would help the model to better understand how to conduct the reasoning process. And this implementation details of the internal reasoning process. Okay, that's all. Thank you.